Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to work in a round with two colors in Tunisian crochet. So I'm going to start with a chain 40 that is the most comfortable for me for demonstration, and I'm going to use a Tunisian crochet hook. Well, we need a double-ended hook for this, and I have a Denny's interchangeable set that does not have two hooks of the same size, so I picked two hooks which are of very similar size. So my forward hook is 6.5 millimeters and my reverse hook is 6 millimeters, so they're very close, and I choose a smaller hook for the reverse pass. I have been told that it is helpful with tension and it also helps a little bit with curling, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the larger hook for the front pass. So I made a chain 40, and now I'm going to make my foundation row in the back bumps. So I'm going to find the back bump and start making my foundation row. So if you are unaware of how to make the foundation row, you can find a tutorial for it in my channel. I will add a link to it in my description. So here we'll go all the way till the end. You don't really have to go all the way till the end, so I'm actually going to stop midway and show you how to do it. So I will make a few stitches, the foundation row stitches. Now I think I have enough, so I'm going to now move my stitches to the other hook, turn the project around, and now I'm going to attach my other color. So I have a little bit of a knot here to keep this in place, and I attach it like this, and then I'm just going to yarn over, pull through 2, and I'm going to do it for a few stitches. Okay, now when I have a few remaining, I'm going to move over to the other side, turn my project again. So now I have my right side in front again. So I leave that the second thread, I don't work with it, I just let it be. You can see that the forward pass is made with one color and the reverse pass with the other. So now I'm going to pick up where I left off, and I'm going to start continue making my foundation rows. I'm going to find the back bump and make a few stitches, and you can reverse and cast off as often as you want. Here's the last one, and now I'm going to move all of my stitches to the other hook, turn my project. Now the wrong side is in front, and pick up the other yarn. I just like to pull on it a little to make it snug, and then yarn over, pull through 2, until I have a few stitches, a few loops remaining on my hook. Okay, now I have about 4 remaining. I'm going to move them to the other side, turn my work, and I have my right side in front again. So you see that we made a foundation row and work the reverse pass in a different color. Now it's time to join. So to join, what I like to do is, so you can do this in two ways. Like if you want to make a circular project which does not have a twist, and if you want to make a circular project with a twist. So I'm going to first show you how to do it without a twist. So you have to make sure that there is no twist. Lay your project down, and what I like to do is I like to take these two ends and make a knot. So they stay in place and my stitches don't get pulled. So just a light knot so I can open it and weave in ends later. And then I continue making my stitches. I pick the first stitch from the foundation row, and I pick the next one and the next one, and you can see that we made a join here, and I'm gonna make a little more to show you how it looks. So I'm going to make some more stitches. So you can use whatever stitches you want. It can be made with pretty much any stitch. If you were making rib stitches, you could make rib stitches here. If you were making knit stitches or anything for that matter, X stitches, you could just make those stitches as you normally would. And now after I have some on my hook, I'm going to move them to the other side, turn my project, make sure that I don't lose any of them, and pull this to be a little snug, and then yarn over, pull through. So now I have a few stitches on my hook. I'm going to move them to the other side, turn my project around, and you can see this is the point where we made the join, and you can just continue working in a round on top of this now. So I'm just going to do that and show you how it looks. Moving my stitches to the other side, turning it around. Move them back, turn project around again. So I'll keep doing this until my project is complete. And here we're at the point of join again, so I'm just going to pick this up as a regular stitch, nothing special to do over there, and move the stitches back, turn the project around, pull the stitch, so here we go. This is how it's looking. So you can just keep going, and you can work like this in a round. Now if you wanted to have a twist in your project, I'm just going to use the same swatch. So here, in the first section I showed you how to join without a twist. Now for joining with a twist, you will have to turn your project twice. So turn this once, rotate this twice. So once. So this has the reverse side in front now, and then once more. So you have to do this so that you have the right side in front again, so you can pick the right stitches. So now you can continue making it like earlier, and there will be no difference. So as you work this, the project will grow and you can just continue making it. Right, that's all for this. If you have any questions, please drop me a message, and there are other tutorials on my channel. Feel free to check them out. Thank you.